start the timer.
Oh, my phone is almost out of batteries.
My heart, Carrie, heart.
Okay.
You're better at this stuff.
There's no E?
You can buy a boat if you want.
I'd like to buy an E, please.
There's no ing.
There's no ing. Something I left here?
Maybe.
How many words?
2.
2 words.
3.
Oh, you think so?
Well, if the last one was 2,
I was thinking.
there you go.
Might have not even spelled it right now. I'm just kidding.
What did I leave here?
1 word? No. 2 words.
Oh, well, yeah, kind of.
Okay.
Second one's kind of a compound word.
Okay.
Grinch. A lad Grinch. Glad. Grind. Coffee grinder. Child. Don't know.
Swap the vowels.
A
Grandchild?
That is mean. That's so mean.
What does it mean?
I didn't leave a grandchild here.
You didn't leave one here.
You're kidding.
You're pregnant? No shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're kidding.
No, did you see your little shoulder here?